Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, Get Money family. This is your girl Shamika coming to you with another video. This video is an ICO called BITHERCASH that I participated in, and it is currently ongoing right now. You can still get in on this ICO, and I want to go over it with you. Let me tell you about my experience with this ICO. As a 1 out of 5, I will give this a 5. This transaction with BITHERCASH, the ICO, was so seamless. It was very easy to participate. Okay, and let me go ahead and go over the white page. Let me go over the platform. Once you log in, this is the back office. This is they already sold out phase 5, but you still have time to get in on this ICO. Okay, so there are phase 5, and these are the dates here. It's January the 11th, all this week. These are during the week 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then they have phase 6, 18, 19, 20 through the 24th. Their ICO is running for 30 days. So that is this here. If you want to participate, you have time. This is how much it costs per coin, $1.20. In phase 5 here, it is $1.01, so it will go up after this week. If you want to participate, I do have my link below, and you can also get in on this as well. All right, so this is my dashboard. I got 200 tokens I purchased just the other day. It was very quick. It came in my account the same day. This was on the 9th, and today is the 10th, as you can see here. And it wasn't immediate, but it was the same day. So I like that. This wasn't a fight. They do have a dedicated service, obviously, because it was not crashing. You can ban Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, you just put in how many coins you want. It auto populates this information for you, and you hit get price right here, and it's going to pop up BTC address of where you send your coins to. It's going to give you a specific ID number to use for your transaction. Okay, and you just log into your blockchain. Do not use Coinbase. Use blockchain.info or some other wallet, Exodus, whatever wallet you have, but do not use Coinbase because of the fees. It has to be exact amount, and Coinbase is a mess. But you still can use blockchain, like send the money from Coinbase to blockchain.info wallet, and then set your account, which is here, Bitcoin wallet. It's called blockchain.info wallet, and set it up there and transfer your money into that account, and then transfer from the blockchain.info to here. Some people have been able to send money from like Bittrex or Poloniex into this account, but they make sure those numbers are correct after they take out those fees, that it's still the exact amount. Whatever it tells you to pay here, pay that exact amount, or you're going to lose your transaction. It's not going to go through. Okay, so let's go into this ICO. Let's go into this company and what makes this company so special, why I want to invest my money into it. I'm not telling you to invest your money into it, but this is what I'm investing my money into. Okay, so let's go over here to this white paper, and let me just tell you straight up, and I don't have to read. I did read all this probably 2 or 3 times, but page 10, I think it's page 10 to 11 is where what I like about it and what drew me to it. Basically, this is telling you when you can earn money, your interest, weekly, monthly. You're going to earn interest on your money, and you're going to get back your coins back in return, which is known as pure lending, versus you just getting your regular fiat back at the end of your term, and you can reinvest if you like. So let me read over it as well, so you can. That's what in layman's terms what this means. Okay, for the newbies. The majority of initial loans, the money will be held in offline cold wallets. Check. That's awesome. With multi-signature protection for any large withdrawals. So you send money. So you see your seed money is secure no matter what. You will have the option to reinvest any profits earned, and therefore commence a new contract at that rate starting on the new date you reinvest. You will also have the option to auto reinvest your profits earned. Profit will be added to your investment amount every month, and from the next month you will get profits on the total amount. This will not change your holding period. You will get your investment offer after end of minimum holding period. This also increases your monthly profits amounts earned on your loan. compound interest basically. Reinvest figures on profits earned will be rounded down to the nearest BEC token number, and remainder will sit in your BEC wallet. All loans and profits credited to your account will be paid in BEC only. All loans and profit credited to your account will be paid in BEC, not fiat. You're gonna get which is good, because if this takes off, hypothetically, like another company, when you got into they first started, it starts with a B. Let me just say Big Connect. You know, you start off with a loan for $2 for 120 days, but at the end of 120 days, that Big Connect token is now worth $400. You're not getting that appreciation of $400 that you put for how much that one coin is. You're getting the fiat version. Okay, you put in 10,000, here you get 10,000 back, and here's your little bit of interest on top of that, your 20-30%. They're doing the opposite of that. They're giving you back the value of the coins. So as the coin grow up in value, which supply and demand is not enough, it's not that many coins, you're going to be winning all day with this platform, with this giving you back those coins. So I'm in like Flynn. I'm definitely in. So we're going to see how this all pans out the next 30-60 days or whatever, but this is a long-term strategy. I don't have a whole lot of money in here. Just want to test it out, get in at the bottom floor. They also have multiple streams of income as well. You could take time and read this white paper. It's very detailed. I like it a lot. I do like it a lot. It's something that interests me, that's different than the other platforms, and I would suggest, and that's what I'm doing, looking for more platforms that into pure lending. And that's the wave of these lending platforms, where they need to go into the value of the coin and not so far as the value of the fiat, the current fiat. So take your time, look at this over, see if there's something you want to get into. The ICO is still going on right now. Their BEC is their ticker. And there's a circulation as well there. You can read that information. They have staking. It's definitely some different things. And they also did a live interview online on YouTube with another YouTuber. You can look at that online and search that, and go to YouTube and search this particular ICO, and you'll find that video. It's only one person that had a live video, and they show their face of these the owners and the developers for this particular project. This is their roadmap, and they're definitely staying on track so far. And yeah, I can't wait. I am definitely on the ride, okay, to passive income. So thanks for watching my channel. Like, subscribe. You can use my referral link if you like to join me on this journey as well. And until next time, let's get this money. Peace.